First thing I'm going to do is taking the Plouise base in the shade 1 on the Zoeva 144 soft concealer brush to carve out the brow, and then I'm going to bring it down and pat it all over the eyelid to give my eyelids a nice blank canvas ready for the eyeshadow. I'm now going to be taking the shade Starling from the Certifeye and Tropical Wonders palette into the crease and take a blending brush. I'm now going to be blending it out with the shade Firefish from the same palette. I'm then going to be blending out the previous shade with the shade Hibiscus, again from the Certifeye Tropical Wonders palette. I'm then going to be taking the Plouise base and cutting the crease using the 144 soft concealer brush from Zoeva, and when I get towards the outer corner I'll be winging this up. This will really lift up the eyes. I'm going to be setting the inner corner of that cut crease using the shade Waterfall. I'll be then blending that into the shade Foolish, and this will be applied into the centre of the cut crease. I will then be blending that into the shade Coast from the Tropical Wonders palette. I'm then adding the Rimmel liquid liner. And then above that liquid liner, I'll be adding a thin line of the glitter liner in the shade Glitz. This is the collection Glam Crystals liner. I'm then going to be taking the Maybelline Superstay foundation and buffing that into my face using the No Cheat Buff Base brush. I'm then adding the Barry M All Night Long Concealer in the shape Oatmeal under my eyes, and I'll be blending it out with a beauty blender. Then adding that same concealer into the centre of my face, and then we'll be blending it out with the same beauty blender. I am then setting underneath my eyes and my T-zone using the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in the shade Translucent. I'm then adding the shade Starling onto my lower lash line. I'm then blending it out with the shade Hibiscus. I'm then going to be bronzing up my face with the Lottie London Tan Time Bronzer in the shade Medium Dark. I am then adding the Barry M Bronze Deco Highlighter mixed with Mary Lou manizer onto the tops of my cheekbones in the centre of my face. I'm then going to be adding the Benefit Galafornia blush. I'm then filling in my brows with the Anastasia brow powder in the shade Dark Brown. I'm then setting my brows in place with the Botanics Full and Tame Brow Gel. I'm then going to be lining my lips with the L'Oreal Lip Liner Couture in the shade 630. I'm going to fill in my lips with the Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mocha. Watching this video, I really hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe.